Hello friends, this is Avijit here. Welcome back to my channel Crafting with Avijit. Today is Rose Day, the first day of Valentine week. So I am making a Rose Day card. Let's get started. At first I am taking a black craft paper which measures 16 into 10 cm and fold it in half. Also taking a 6 into 6 cm blue craft paper and make a cone shape. Connect with glue. Now I am taking a paper and make a ball. Now attach it in the cone using glue. Now I am taking some small size paper rose. I made a video of the paper rose making. This video link in the description. Attach all the flowers on it. And also the cone attached on the card using glue. I made 2 leaves with paper. Connect this with glue. Next I made a bow with red ribbon. Connect it using glue. For the inside I am taking a 15 into 9 cm white craft paper. Fold it in half. And connect it into the card. I take a 3 red heart-shaped paper and attach on there. Now using a black marker pen, drawing some lines from under the heart. At last, using white gel pen, write Happy Rose Day in front of the card. Our card is ready. If you like this video, please press the thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.